Let us understand how to add VBox guest additions and its purpose. Once the VM is installed within the host system, if I make it as a full screen, the window will get into the full screen but not the actual display. As well as any text that I am copying with the text, and if I am pasting it into the virtual box, that will not be available. So the clipboard will not be shared. To overcome this problem, we need to install VBox guest additions. Let's go ahead and install the VBox guest additions. Before that, we need to make some changes. As a part of shared clipboard, let's make it bidirectional. And we need to install the kernel and its source code. Let me make myself as root. First thing, I'm going to do the update. Everything is up to date. Let me check the version of the kernel. And I'm going to install the kernel developer version. Yum install -y kernel devel uname, and I'll be getting dynamically the current kernel version. Now I'm going to install the other required components like GCC, Perl, etc. Let me go ahead and do the installation. Yum install -y GCC Perl kernel headers kernel the installation is done. The next thing that needs to be installed is make utility. By default, CentOS will be having it. Anyway, let me go ahead and check. Yes, it's already installed. Now I'm going to install the ELF utils. Yum install -y ELF utils -lib ELF devel, then ELF -devel. As a part of the description, I will be adding all these commands so that you can copy paste and avoid the typo mistakes. Once this is done, I need to insert the VBox guest additions. For that, I can get into the devices menu, insert guest additions, CD image. That allows for the permission to start with the execution. Provide the password. VBox guest installation is done. I can close this window. Now I need to restart the VM. Let me log in. Here you will be having a message saying the VirtualBox reports that guest OS supports mouse pointer integration. That means you don't need to capture the mouse pointer. Earlier, to come out of the VirtualBox, we need to press the right control or the key that's used to capture the mouse pointer. Now, automatically, if the mouse is clicked within the VM, it will get captured. That's also another advantage of VBox guest addition. Now we can see the entire screen is filled, and we can verify whether the clipboard is enabled. Let me copy this text, paste. Yes, it is enabled. Also, we don't need to use the shortcut key to capture the mouse pointer within the virtual box.